According to a friend beside me here, there's a 70 right there. You see a Starbucks there. St. Stephen's 70.
How you know what they drink?
The people during the 7th century were drinking coffee. They drinking macchiato. They drinking like green tea or
Before battle.
before battle. We're gonna drink cafe latte. During that time, no one imagines there was
Vente.
they say vente or like that. What a wonderful surrounding. Wow. Look at that. Perfect architecture. My first time in YouTube.
Okay.
Maybe I get lucky.
I'm gonna see myself in there.
Oh, okay. Ganda. This one is once again Saint Stephen, the first king of Hungary, and he turned Hungary into a Christian country. And, it's time to get inside the church. I wanna get inside. Let's get in. Bawal? Okay guys, kung nakikita niyo po yung Labyrinthus, ayan o. Labyrinthus, yan daw po yung tahanan ni Dracula. Ito yung patunay, ayan si Dracula. Dracula yan, siya yung nakatira dyan daw. Dati, sabi nila, hindi na. Ewan natin, pero siguro nga totoo kasi hindi naman nilalagay dyan as historical. Ayan, Labyrinth. Yun yung parang cave na yun, yung kulay itim, nakikita niyo yun. Dating tirahan daw ni Dracula, ewan ko. Sinabi. At itong lugar nga na to, parang ito yung mga government daw yata nakatira dito eh. Mga government. Ito yung mga protected daw to ng UNESCO. Pero may mga nagmamay-ari daw nito, mga nakaresidente rin. And lalakad na kami doon, mukhang may iwan na ako. Oo. At ayun, sige. Ang bilis nila maglakad. Kaya babay muna mga kasama. On your side is a construction of former palace. Yan, palace daw to. Kaso, ayan siya, itsura na yung mga nasa picture. Ginibahan nila. Pero binubuo yata ulit, parang pasad na lang. Ayan siya, binubuo nila. Oo, ibabalik nila siguro yung dati kasi ayan yan. Oo. Yung nandito, ayan. Nakikita mong mga nasa litrato. Ayan yung future plan niya, gagawin nila. Kubo kasi nasira na yan. Mga panahong may gera-gera dito. May kaguluhan. Nasira. So ngayon, dinemolish nila yung mga sira-sira. Binubuo nila ito. May natapos ng parte. At yan, ang dahil pang bakante. Bubuin pa nila yan. This is the Hungarian Prime Minister. Hungarian Prime Minister.
I will love you, Carmelita. Tan 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 tan.
Yan. Yan, Hungarian Prime Minister, home of the Hungarian Prime Minister. Siya rin isang mga pinaka-powerful dito. Actually, siya na naman talaga. Wala namang Hungarian Prime Minister, home of the Hungarian Prime Minister office. Guys, according sa isang source dito sa aming tour guide, ito palang dito sa Hungary, yung president wala siyang gaanong power. Ang may power talaga dito, may power talaga dito yung prime minister. Pero yung president taga-pirma lang ng mga ginagawa nilang batas kung ano-ano, pero ang may power talaga sa bansang to is yung, hindi yata ako nakita, yung prime minister. At sige, tingnan natin. Ayan o, nagkakaroon ng parang formation ng mga guard.
Changing of the guard.
Changing of the guard. No, nakakatuwa.
Ayan o.
Mga royals. Look at this, oh, the tram-via, tram. Ano yan? Victoria Peak tram.
So cute.
Yeah, this is the tram.
15, 18 people can fit in. So it's gonna just come.
Oh, ang galing, oh. Grabe. Ito na naman, oh. Ito na naman yung tram na isa parating. Teka lang, ma. Tignan na natin yung pagdating ng tram.
Yeah, we have so.
And a view of the Buddha Castle Hill. Yan. Here it is. It's right here. And right there is a beautiful lady. And not part of the video, but my video passed at her. Another than beautiful Hungarian lady. Oh wow. They are preserving every part of the Castle Hill. That's like there's a construction going on, so it will still look like a medieval medieval outcome. Ayan. Ayan, as you can see, yan po mga kaibigan, ang ganda ng ng paligid. Talagang para kang nasa fairy tale, no? Para kang nasa historical movie. Ang taas ng araw, mainit, pero malamig yung buga ng hangin, no? Pwede kang mag-jacket. I was saying that the sun is very hot.
Oh yeah. It's
But when the wind is cold, like, you know, when you go outside, the temperature is high, like 22, 23 degrees, but outside the house there's an aircon. You see the
yeah, it's a little breeze.
a little breeze, so you not get sweat too much, not get sticky.
It's not 10 o'clock yet. So.
It's not 10 o'clock. Maybe later, 12
Couple
o'clock,
hours,
it will be
it'll get hot.
super hot. And okay. Baba na tayo. Yes, that's exactly what's gonna happen. We need to come back to the coach because it's flipping hot in here. Flipping heck. Ayan mga kaibigan. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Hero Square. Welcome to the Hero Square as commemoration for the Hungarian heroes and the Hungarian conquerors. Behind me is a representation of the few conquerors who come from Asia going to Hungary. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. Hindi nga lang natin alam kung sino ho ba dyan. Yung mga hari na yon, no? Hari daw, no, ma? Ma, hari yung sinabi, mga hari ng iba't ibang Asian country.
Well-known lang, pero hindi sinabi pangalan.
Oo, mga well-known conquerors of the Asia. Most notable conquerors from Asia. Yan yung mga nakikita nyong statwa dyan. Problema, hindi naman nila napangalanan kasi nga medyo ilang century na yun. Matagal na, hindi lang 17, siguro 14 pa o 13th century. Talagang yung wala pang ano, no? And this area is a commemoration for all the heroes of the Hungarian people. And that is the Hungarian Opera House, I think. And the Hungarian blah blah blah. I will just put a description, no, below. Description below kung anong tawag dyan sa lugar na yan. And this is the whole Hungarian Hero Square, no? Hero Square. Yan. Napakaganda ng tanawin, no? Kung titingnan nyo po talaga, maaraw na po, mainit sabi nila, pero ang nararamdaman ko po sa ngayon may hangin, medyo breezy na malamig. May singaw ng malamig na para bang kahit ganito yung araw, para bang may aircon po dito sa labas, no? At ayan po, kung sa atin may buhaya dito rin. No? And can I help? Thank you very much. Ayan, no? Kaya may
Everybody clear. Guest of Judith, please so kind to make the way back.
at meron pong may mga naniningil po, may mga enforcer na naniningil po sa Pilipinas po, may tinatawag na mga buhaya. Dito po meron din.
Ano to? Hindi po alam ang tawag doon.
MMDA. Sorry. Si-censor ko na lang pagka-upload, censor ko na lang.
Kailangan ng pang-almusal.
Oo, kung dito sa Pilipinas may ganyan. Dito rin hindi nawawala yan. Kaya basahin natin. Oh. National Memorial. Yan.